Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo dito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung naka-resonate po kayo. Thank you. So first message po ni Gemini, we have the King of Swords. Ayan, so maybe you are facing important decisions sa ngayon, and yung mga decision na yan could be linked to any area of life, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. And those decisions, siguro, maybe you need some kind of advice dito from other people, or maybe you are going to seek for enlightenment, you're going to seek for advice, input or idea, no, ng ibang tao. And po pwedeng meron kayong lalapitan, no, someone na katulad ni King of Swords, no. This could be someone na nasa mataas na posisyon sa kanyang trabaho. This could be your boss. Pwede rin na professional siya, na meron siyang expertise doon sa area of life na kailangan mo ng input, or kailangan mo ng opinion, no? Yung ganon. So, maaring magkukonsulta ka, no? Maybe you are going to seek for advice, no? From someone. Kaya good luck sa'yo. So, we have Queen of Pentacles. Ayan. So, this is financial comfort, Gemini. So, this is really good. This is really beautiful energy para sa iyo, kasi finally, magkakaroon na din kayo ng financial comfort, financial freedom. Maaari na meron ditong financial blessings na dadating, merong pera na dadating, biyaya, no? Pangkaperahan. Kung hindi man ito cold cash na dadating sa inyo, this could be an opportunity na siyang magdadala sa inyo ng kasaganaan. This could be an opportunity na magdadala sa inyo ng financial abundance and prosperity. Kaya yun, napakaganda. This is a time of abundance and prosperity sa buhay ninyo. Financial gain, paparating yan. Kaya, good luck. We also have the Fool. This is new beginning energy. This is something new na maaaring sisimulan ninyo sa ngayon. This is the time that you are going to take risk. You are going to siguro come out of your comfort zone, no? Para kayo ay makapagsimula ng bagong yugto sa buhay ninyo in a specific area sa buhay ninyo, na ngayon lang ninyo ito gagawin. Ngayon lang ninyo ito susubukan, no? And bit-bit mo dito yung inyong determinasyon, bit-bit mo dito yung inyong excitement, bit-bit mo dito yung tapang, no? Na i-embrace ang isang bagay, isang sitwasyon dito that you've never encountered before. Okay? So, depende yan sa inyong sitwasyon. Kung pwedeng bagong trabaho yan, bagong career path, bagong maaaring papasok na din kayo sa pagiging entrepreneur, or pwede rin na yan ay commitment, no? Maybe in relationship. So, baka may leveling up, no, ng inyong commitment. And by the way, Gemini, before I go on, I would like to say hi and shout out po sa ating beloved channel member na si At Alexander Turalba 3777. Maraming salamat po for supporting my channel. Thank you very much sa patuloy ninyong walang sawang pagpapadala ng donasyon through Super Thanks. May God bless you more po. So, what else? We have hope, love, and acceptance. Love is yours. Recognize your divine worth. Choose loving thoughts. Okay? So, napakaganda. Kasi, punong-puno kayo ng pag-asa. Punong-puno kayo ng pag-ibig, pagmamahal sa puso ninyo. You are also siguro embracing sa ngayon, you are going to start embracing for who you really are. No? Kung ano ka, kung sino ka, yung totoo mong pagkatao, 'di ba? Kasi sometimes merong mga pagkakataon na may mga parte ng buhay natin na hindi natin tanggap, 'di ba? Iniiwasan natin, hindi natin nare-recognize yung mga ganon. So, but now there is fully acceptance na. There's full acceptance na of who you really are. So, what else? We have Freya, phases and cycles. There is a beginning within every ending. Illusions are revealed and released. So, speaking of new beginning, ayan. So, meron tayong the full energy, hindi ba? Kaya, maaari talaga, no, na may mga changes na magaganap dito sa buhay mo. At iba-iba yan. Depende yan sa inyong sitwasyon. But, yeah, tama yun, no? For you to begin something, there is something that you are going to end, 'di ba? Meron kang isasarang pinto sa buhay mo para ikaw ay makapagsimula ng bago, para ikaw ay makapag-welcome ng bagong sitwasyon. All right? So, yun, illusions are also revealed, no? So, meron kang mga maling akala or mga maling paniniwala dito, no? Na madidiscover mo na mali pala, no? So that will be revealed to you, and of course, you will be releasing whatever that is. Kasi madidiscover mo na nagkamali pala ang akala mo, mali ka. For a certain period of time, pinaniwalaan mo, akala mo yun na yun, totoo yun, 'di ba? Yun pala, mali. No? But that's good, no? Na finally, nalaman nyo na. 'Di ba? So we also have the divine director, intervention and purpose. Divine intervention is occurring. Oh, so napakaganda nito kasi the divine universe is going to intervene in your circumstances, no? So maaaring may mga sitwasyon dito, divine timing has come na yung sitwasyon na yan has to happen. Kaya by hook or by crook, no? Gawin mo man o hindi, it is going to happen. Okay? So, know that you are being guided. Happiness is your purpose. Ayan. So, that's just for you to know na happiness is your purpose. So, know that you are being guided. Okay? Lagi kang ginagabayan. This is a reminder para sa'yo na lagi kang ginagabayan ng universe. Kaya, importanteng makikinig kayo lagi sa iyong intuition. Always listen and follow what your intuition is telling you. Kasi the divine universe ay hindi nagkukulang sa atin, hindi nagkukulang sa iyo, sa pagpapadala ng pagbibigay ng mga impormasyon, pagpapaalala sa iyo, pagre-remind sa iyo ng mga dapat mong gawin, ng mga dapat na path na dapat mong tahakin. Okay? So, good luck sa iyo. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.